It's Sunday morning, 23rd of February 2020, and these are my fruit and veg, all cut up and ready for juicing. I've got 4 ripe tomatoes, I've got 1 carrot, I've got 1 cucumber, a little bit of broccoli, 1 small jicama, which in Malay is called sengkuang, and some cilantro, which is also known as coriander leaves. And what else did I say? And pineapple, 1 slice of pineapple. So here goes. I'll let you know in a moment what it tastes like. I forgot to mention, I also added some turmeric and Limau Kapas, 1/3 of Limau Kapas, and a piece of turmeric that I got from Cooling Malaysia as part of my cancer weapon. So I had a sip just now with lashings of Lee and Perrins. It tastes wonderful. It's a lot better than yesterday because I think I've got 1 whole carrot as well as 4 ripe tomatoes in it. It tastes more like a V8, and it's a really refreshing and nice vegetable and fruit juice. The pineapple gives it a little sweetness to counter the turmeric tanginess. I have yet to wash my motive one, so I'll have a look at the auger. I suspect it won't be so oily because this fresh turmeric is young turmeric, and I think young turmeric has less sap, less oily sap, so it won't get stuck to the auger. Besides, we are not juicing just turmeric but also fruit and vegetables, so I guess the fiber would clean off the whatever oil is at the auger, but we'll see when I clean it up a little later.